What is up, guys? Julien here, the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube. Yes, French pronunciation videos. And we are looking at how to pronounce the name of the second biggest city in France, that is Marseille, particularly famous for its famous football or soccer team, that is the Olympique de Marseille. Marseille is also famous for just being a very nice city on the coast of the Mediterranean in southern France, near Nice, the other city in the Côte d'Azur or around the Côte d'Azur. Marseille is more in the Provence region, Provence Rhone Alpes region of France. Marseille, but you can say Marseille, Marseille. The typical French pronunciation, Marseille, Marseille. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of French pronunciation. Au revoir. Bye-bye.